another episode of Klak's Kitchen. Doing burgers, dogs, smoking chicken. Super easy. Nothing fancy, no long video. Real quick. You already know. Yeah, we got Klak's Kitchen in full effect today. Got the burgers and dogs on the flat grill. Chicken in the smoker. We get busy. We're gonna eat good. And then maybe after I eat these hot dogs and give my son his burger, we'll pretend like I can play basketball.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. You know what time it is.
So I've been getting my meat from this butcher shop up the road called Acre Station. It's awesome. Got some big burgers. I got a bunch of cheesesteak meat. I'm gonna cook cheesesteaks tomorrow on this joint. And that's where I got the chicken from too. Like, it's a whole spiel of, it's a legit butcher shop. Like, it's awesome. And I probably won't shop anywhere else for anything I cook. Well, burger's done. Scoop that up. Son likes to have the bun toasted, so I'm gonna go give him that. Man, these hot dogs are good. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. You don't want none of this? Give me that. Get you with that. Oh, give me that. Watch this rebound. I'm like Rodman, son. Made it. Give me that. Come on. Allen Iverson's long lost cousin, Adam Iverson. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Give me that. You don't want none? Oh, come on, ref. You ain't see that foul? You ain't see that foul? Foul, I haven't got my whole arm. What? You gonna blow the whistle with me? Blow the whistle with you? All right, just added the second set of charcoal. I'm using charcoal and wood today. As you can see, it's oak wood, so the oak tends to give whatever you're smoking some really good flavor, and I like using it. Plus, I get it for free. So, all right, so this happens when you're when you're smoking meat. You get to a point where you get called a stall. So right now my chicken is stalled at 145. So what do I do to counteract that stall? I take the water pan out so that the chicken gets direct heat now from the coals, and once it starts picking back up, that'll help it finish it. Also, at about this point in time during the smoke, you want to remove the water pan, because after it gets to a certain point, the skin on whatever you're cooking gets real tight, so it's not porous anymore. So no more flavor, no more water is actually going to get, or moisture is going to get inside of what you're cooking. Well, I just checked the temperature on them, and they're all around 168, 170. Recommended temperature minimum is 165. I let them go a little longer just to be sure. So I'm going to pull them out and we're going to see what we got.
Seeing as looks can be deceiving, you can see how much juice is still falling out of it, even though the chicken looks burnt. Trust me, that is some good eating right there.
All right, well, there you have it. That'll do it. It looks really good, really tasty. No taste test today. We're just going to call it. Klak out.